Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the hiccups in one simple step. You just heard she has the hiccups, right? So, guaranteed 100% this is going to work. So all you need to do is just get your finger, and then you're going to put a little bit of saliva on it. And we're going to do a cross on her forehead, and it's going to go away. But here's the trick. You got to believe that it works. Watch. Told you it works 100%. You just gotta believe. That's the main thing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And let me know if this worked for you.